Hi guys, I said that I am going to document everything relevant on YouTube. It is Friday the 2021, I don't know, of November 2025. It is 9:20 a.m. I believe, and I am documenting in real life what it is when someone I just hold on because it is affecting my health. That's why it is good to do it in real time. So this is a tactic. It is called when someone is harming your health without evidence, but I mean, this is, so I'm running out of storage. It is now extremely unsafe for me, so if you want to help me, you can make a donation. I have a link in my bio, or you can buy the digital marketing kit I am selling. It's basically explaining to you how you can create your first digital product online and start your online business. So I think it was 10 minutes ago he was spraying a spray, and it is affecting, this is what it's doing to me. So I am feeling it here, I cannot breathe properly. So it is a tactic to harm your health, but without you realizing, without leaving traces. This is a real life documentary, because it's been years that I am living through inhuman conditions, and apparently God chose me to raise awareness. I am living this situation. If you can help, and if you want to help me, please. Now it is affecting my health, and I do need help to get out. You know, when they say abuse is not physical, yes, sure it is. It has always been physical, because when someone is attacking your brain, narcissistic abuse, coercive control, when someone is attacking your brain, your finance, triggering a fight or flight, a freeze response state, basically all the time, yes, it is affecting your physique, because if you are attempting to harm someone else's brain, it's physical. And now it is physical because I don't know, I am not a specialist, but yeah, it is doing something here. So yeah, it is in real life what it is doing to my health, because the spray is not meant to be sprayed